How to use ideniKey. Place the key flat vertically so that the head of the key is on the top. Do not place the key side to side, at an angle, or upside down. Open the app and choose Find a Key. Tap Take Photo. Choose either to use the camera or upload an image from your gallery. For best results, raise the camera about 1 foot away from the key and pinch to zoom in. Hold still and make sure the image is sharp before taking the photo. If the image looks good, tap Proceed, otherwise tap Retake. Flip the key over and take a picture of the other side. If the image looks good, tap Proceed, otherwise tap Retake. If both images look good, press Find this key. Five results are shown, starting with the closest match to your key. Tips and tricks. When identifying a double-sided key, still flip the key over for the second photo. If your key is not shown, take 2 new photos and try again. If your key is still not shown, it's likely not in our database yet. Tap Your key's not in the results and tell us what you know about the key. Hit Submit and we'll get this key added soon. ideniKey will work on most surfaces, no matter the pattern or color. Here are some examples of images that will not work to identify your key. The camera's flash was on. The picture is sideways. The key is upside down. The photo is blurry. The key is too far away. A hand is in the way. Want to leave the key on its ring? No problem, but it might take a couple tries. Here are some tips to make it easier. Move all other keys and objects to the top of the key ring. When taking a picture, make sure the phone is parallel with the angle of the key. Change the angle until it matches the key, and try to cut out the rest of the ring. If your phone rotates the image automatically, take a new picture with your camera app. And to edit the image, rotating it so the head of the key is on the top. Use this image in the app by selecting the Upload from Gallery option. Flip the key over and repeat this process for the other side. For an easier solution, take the key off the key ring and proceed like normal.